Iko Bonbon, who is in his 20s and is from Batangas City, may identify himself as gender fluid, but he said he's not a big fan of labels.
So alam kong hindi ako straight, pero yun, I'm open to all relationship and diverse orientation po.
Without proper SOGSC lessons, Iko actually had to learn about his identity through Google.
Noong ako po ay college, so nag-research po ako about gender issues, then nung nakita ko po yung different diverse na sexual orientation at saka gender identity, parang doon ko po nalaman na ay may ganito po pala. So sa pag-research through Google ay nalaman ko po pala na ganun po pala yung aking identity.
As the eldest of 3 kids, Iko said he didn't have to come out. His parents are, nonetheless, tolerant of him, even if they may be confused.
Pinipilit nilang intindihan, pero yun nga po, stick sila sa tradition o na parang babae, lalaki, bakla, tomboy. Hindi pa po sila nakaka-encounter ng parang another gender fluid na individual. So parang nakikita nila yun na as bago, as hindi nila parang magasp.
There are many misconceptions about being gender fluid, and handling this can be challenging, according to Iko.
Kapag po alam nilang ako ay hindi straight, parang expected nila na makikipagrelasyon agad ako sa kanila or parang willing na akong interact sa kanila sexually or romantically. Parang expected nila. Papatulang ko na agad sila.
Mahirap makahanap ng jowa ang gender fluid people, according to Iko. And this is because of stigma and discrimination from within the LGBTQIA+ community.
Kaya nahihirapan na humanap ng jowa or ng romantic partner dahil kunyari pag mas to mas, kailangan hindi halata na hindi halatang bading yung partner or dapat pasok ka dun sa stereotype na kapag feminine ka dapat bottom ka or kapag maskilado ka dapat top ka. May mga peer pa na from the spectrum of LGBTQIA+ na sarado ang isip.
For Iko, there are still many issues that gender fluid people need to face. To start, they need their own space.
Space for non-binary. Pag sinabi kasing non-binary, spectrum siya at kailangan pa ng malawak na pag-unawa.
The LGBTQIA+ community itself can help create this space for the gender fluid.
Pag-intindi sa kanila, tsaka yung parang hindi pag-invalidate ng kanilang feelings. Tayo, mga part ng LGBTQIA+, parang matuto tayong yumakap, tanggapin, mag-validate.
Iko hopes people learn to understand people of diverse SOGSC.
I-try nyo lang na parang intindihin dahil libre naman ang pag-unawa. Kahit sa isang araw ay maging open-minded dahil yung isang araw na yun pwede siyang maging malaking impact sa buhay nyo na maiba yung vision or perception nyo.
And if there is a lesson that gender fluid people should learn, it is to be strong, according to Iko.
Alam ko sound cheesy pero parang matapang lang in a way na express nyo yung sarili nyo in any form. Doon parang ma-empower nyo hindi lang yung sarili nyo kundi yung iba. Yakapin ang community ng LGBTQIA+. Sino po ba yung tutulong sa atin kundi tayo lang namang nagkakaintindihan sa community? So, ayun.